Namaste, I am Dilip from Indian Red Cross Society. More than ever, leadership is needed to bring communities together in the battle of the nutritional challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. My IFRC trainer, who now serves in Fiji, shared these lovely lines with me. When Mahatma Gandhi began putting his ideas into action, he was alone. Later, as the voices grew louder, the entire nation stood behind him. Similarly, when Jean-Henri Dunant started this Red Cross, he was alone. Later, the entire world united and stood together to serve the humanity, and it created history. This concept constantly motivates me to think big for the betterment of society. Malnutrition among children, women and low-income families has worsened as a result of this COVID-19. Here, I would like to be the voice of my local community. Nutrition has now become a global concern, and the COVID-19 crisis has affected the nutritional status of the most vulnerable, particularly women and children under the age of 5. During my service with the Red Cross, I witnessed numerous vulnerable groups, especially like women and children suffering from malnutrition due to lack of access to nutritional food. As per the Global Nutrition Report 2020, India is among 88 countries that are likely to miss global nutrition targets by 2025. COVID-19 frequent lockdowns, rising unemployment and food supply disruption have aggravated the situation. Vulnerable people have been unable to earn a sustainable income. As a result, their nutrition level has deteriorated. My aim is to address this crisis and to assist vulnerable sections to overcome the malnutrition problem in rural areas. Everything begins with an idea. My idea is to create a self-reliant community which would address nutritional issues on its own by utilizing locally available resources and indigenous ideas. I believe this would be the ideal long-term solution to prevent malnutrition. How do I execute my idea? Number 1, through awareness. I would strengthen the existing self-help groups and educate them on the importance of food and nutrition. Number 2, promote herbal products. Pulses, cereals and dry fruits are the main crops grown in rural areas. By using these, I intend to invent nutritional drinks and other herbal products by collaborating with the CFTRI Mysore. Number 3, promote indigenous knowledge. There are many recipes like Ashwagandha Lekhyam that our forefathers used as supplements to keep themselves healthy and strong. Today's generations are unaware of it. We need to reconnect to our roots, revive such recipes, make them popular among the rural mass. Thank you.